Hello everyone and welcome to Kaji's channel. So sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang basics ng Zero. So isang feature ng Zero ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, and kung interested ka, please keep on watching. Until the end, do not skip para wala kang ma-miss na tips and tricks na i-share ko throughout the video. So without further ado, let's get started! Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I'm Kaji, virtual assistant, executive assistant, bookkeeper, accountant. So kahit anong work, pinapasok ko, basta't online, kasi online work is amazing! Sa channel na to, dinidiscuss natin more on online work, tips and tricks, and mga success stories. So kung interested ka sa mga topics na yon, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss na video na ina-upload ni Kaji every single week. Sa business tab, makikita nyo dito, kapag clinic nyo to, yung kanilang short-term cash flow, yung business snapshot, yung invoices, kung saan makakapag-create yun ng invoices, yung codes, yung sales overview, bills to pay, purchase order, purchase overview, expense claim, and product and services. So this is just a walkthrough kung saan mo makikita or paano ka ba mag-create na invoices. So saan ka pupunta? Sa dashboard ba? Sa business ba? Sa accounting? Again, pag mag-create tayo ng sales invoices, codes, bills to pay, and purchase order, all you have to do is to click the business tab, and then you'll be able to see na yung invoices and mga bills to pay. Okay? So sa short-term cash flow, actually, dito sa short-term cash flow, kapag clinic mo yan, so, pwede kang mag-create ng cash flow projection. Select mo lang yung bank account, and then projection time frame, view projection, and then makikita mo na dito yung mga projected bills to pay, and projected bank balance, yung invoices, ayan. So, meron ka ng, kumbaga, projection or short-term cash flow. And then, meron din tayong tinatawag na business snapshot. So, sa business snapshot naman po, ay makikita nyo rito yung mga profitability information ng company. So, may profit and loss, may income, may expenses, and meron din tayo ditong graph na pwede nyo makita. And meron din tayo ditong financial position and cash. So, meron tayo ditong sa balance sheet, yung asset, liabilities, and equity natin. Okay? And then, meron din tayo ditong overall cash balance, and ano yung mga bank na may balance. And then, meron din tayo ditong overview ng value of unpaid invoices and average time to get paid. Ito po ay automatic na kikita ni Zero. So, kung gusto mong bigyan si client mo ng business snapshot, then you can go here, and then pwede mo naman siyang i-change ng accounting basis, accrual ba yan or cash. And then, yung period is pwede mo rin mabago. And then, kung gusto mong i-print yan, pwede rin. Makikita mo dito, ayan, profitability, ayan. And then, pwede mo yung isend sa client mo. Again, this is just a walkthrough about the business tab sa Zero. And you can also see here yung sales overview, purchase overview, expense claim, and products and services, where we can add, edit, and delete yung mga products and services na meron yung mga client natin. So sana marami kayo natutunan sa video na to, and if you want more videos like this, just let me know sa comment section, and Kaji will try to create more videos for you. I'll see you again sa next video ko. Bye!